Chapter 13, Solutions. To a chemist, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solutions are very common. Most of the liquids and gases that we encounter are actually solutions, not pure substances. The ocean is water, obviously, but it has salt, sodium chloride, and many other solids dissolved in it. The tap water is mostly water, but it does have some minerals dissolved in it, so it is a solution. In your blood, you have blood cells, red blood cells, and then there's the plasma that they're swimming around in. Your blood plasma is a solution. It's got several different solids and gases as well that are dissolved in water. So lots and lots of solutions. You can have a solution between any two components, phases. Here are some examples. You have two gases, a gas and a liquid and a liquid, a solid and a liquid, a solid and a solid. You can even have a gas dissolved in a solid. So lots of different types of solutions. Solution has at least two components because it's a mixture. To be a mixture, you have to have two different things, right? So there's the solvent, which is the substance that there's the most of. And then there's the solute. That's the one that there's less of. You could have lots and lots of different solutes. There's only one solvent. There's one that there's the most of, and then the rest are solutes. If you have a solid liquid solution, the liquid is generally considered the solvent, even if it's not the largest component. Most common solutions are aqueous solutions. And we've used that word before. Aqueous just means it's dissolved in water. So an aqueous solution has water as the solvent. There are other liquid solvents, and these are used especially with nonpolar solutes, because water won't dissolve things like, my mind's blanking, like nonpolar solids. So we mentioned this earlier, like dissolves like. So if you want to dissolve something in water, if it's ionic, if it's polar, the chances are pretty good it will dissolve because they are like each other. If you have something like you want to mix hexane, which is nonpolar, hexane will not mix with water because polar and nonpolar don't mix. But hexane will mix with diethyl ether because that one is nonpolar.